In this tutorial, I will show you basic shapes in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. Illustrator basic shapes you can access from this stack. This is rectangular tool. Create squares and rectangles, rounded rectangles. You can see rounded rectangle tool, create square and rectangles with rounded corners. Also we can create ellipse tool. Ellipse tool create ovals and circles. These all are basic or primitive shapes. Polygon tool create multi-sided shapes. Star tool create and rotate pointed shapes. And finally flare tool. Okay, so you can see I am right clicking here, and here is the button. If I click here, this will popping up as shapes dialog box. Okay, so I am accessing here. I am drawing a basic rectangle. You can see if I hold down shift, it will proportionally sound perfect rectangle or square it will create. Okay, it will be created. So I am making this green color. Okay, so this is a perfect rectangle. Also, if I hold down shift and alter, it will make this shape from the center point and equally, and all will be perfect square. These were the basic keyboard shortcut. Now I am drawing a rectangle. This is same. I can hold down shift or shift alter. This is oval shape. If I hold down shift alter, it will be drawn from the center. Then polygon. This is polygon shape. Okay, polygon shape you can see when I am drawing, without releasing the mouse, if I press upper arrow, then it will increase the anchor point, and if I press down arrow, it will decrease the anchor point, and finally it will be a triangle. Okay. Okay, then start tool. You can see this is also, I didn't release the mouse and I am increasing the corner points using upper arrow. Okay, so these are the basic shapes. You can also, I am clicking here, you can see here is a curvy button appeared. If I hold down and press here, press upper side, you can see this is a pie chart look shape has been created here. Okay, also this is flare tool. Actually this is flare tool, you can access from it. So these are the basic shapes from the Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.